how to land your first 5 affiliate marketing clients. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do this so that you can start making money and you can get 5 long-term clients that you can continue to work with. But before I get into that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing so you can sack your boss and go full-time and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. So step number 1 is to make sure that you pick a high quality product to promote. And why do I say high quality? The reason for this is because if you want people to be coming back to you over and over again and purchasing from you again, you need to make sure your products are a high quality. So preferably, you don't want to be just selling any random products off of ClickBank, JVZoo, or anywhere like that, things that you don't know anything about. You want to make sure that you've actually purchased these things in the past and that they are high quality so that people aren't refunding and they are happy with the service that they've received. So step number 2 is to just simply offer bonuses. Okay, so let's just say, for example, that you're selling an affiliate marketing course. You can offer bonuses, which is going to help your offer stand out from the crowd. Okay, so you can just offer support. Support is one of your bonuses, so that when people purchase from you, they're not just simply left to their own devices and they never hear from you again. You know, if they get stuck, they've got somebody to fall back on, and this is really going to help your offer sound a lot more appealing than 80% of the people who are selling the exact same thing. So step number 3 is to pick a social media platform to be on. And I recommend starting with the platform where you have the most followers. This is going to be the easiest way for you to get started straight away. So if you do focus on something like, Facebook or Instagram, you can basically go into, Facebook groups, and you can find Facebook groups where your audience is already hanging out. So you could type in, affiliate marketing groups, you could type in side hustle groups, just to give you a couple of ideas. And these groups are going to be full of traffic with your ideal clients inside them. And what you can do is you can just simply start adding people, right? You can add 50 to 100 people from these groups. And when people accept your friend request, then you can simply message them. And don't just go into these groups and start spamming your links, because that will get you banned. What you want to do, I like to use a method called SPIN, okay? And it stands for situation, problem, implication, need, payoff. Okay, so find out a little bit about that situation. Are there any problems that you can help with? What are those implications of those problems, and is there actually a need for your services? Now, if there is, ask for permission to pitch your link. Is it okay if I drop a link? And if they say yes, only then should you drop your link, right? So my favorite method to use on social media platforms is attraction marketing. And we have 2 different types that we can talk about in this video. So we have short form and we have long form content. So short form content are going to be things such as TikTok videos, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, and YouTube shorts. Okay, and these are short videos which are up to 60 seconds long. And the great thing about this is these platforms will serve you a lot of traffic quite quickly. So the next thing I want to talk about is long form content, and these are things such as YouTube videos, a little bit like the video that you're watching right now. And these are videos which are typically over a minute long. You can just basically create content which is relevant to your niche, and you can simply add your affiliate links down in the description of your videos. Now, again, if people are getting value from your video, they're going to be scrolling down, they're going to be having a look in the description, and they're going to be clicking on those links, which is then going to be sending traffic to your offers. Now, if any of you are looking for a high quality private affiliate program to be able to promote, then I do recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training I've put together on my Ollie framework on how you can start, grow, or scale your affiliate marketing business to 6 figures. My name's Andy Mattis, and I'm out.